Lori Meggs, and welcome to Focus on Marshall. My co-host, Bill Hubscher, is a proud new papa, so while he's at home with his new baby boy, I'll be flying solo this month. On this edition, we'll take you inside the facility that actually puts together this program. But first, let's head out to the East Test area, where one group is ensuring that shuttles continue to fly safely. We're here in the Materials Environment Test Complex with Scooter Clifton, a test conductor. Scooter, what do you do here?
This facility has different test positions where we actually do thermal conditioning tests on different parts of the space shuttle systems. Right here you see test articles from the ET and SRB. We actually take these samples and place them in the test section, and we simulate aero heating conditions to see how they respond.
And you have one of those samples here that we can look at. You're about to do a test, right?
Yes, we sure are. This particular test article right here is from the ET ablator, and we're actually going to test in this program starting today.
And you start with a clean surface, and then what happens?
We take this panel and we put it in the test section, we run the conditions, we pull a sample out, and we see what kind of effects that the conditions had on this test article.
All right, can we go see the test?
Sure, we're getting ready to get started now.
Scooter, now what is this? It just looks like a giant box with foam all over it to me.
Well, what we use is the expired ET foam. We spray this on here to give us insulating properties for the chamber. What we call this is our 12-foot cube thermal chamber. We use to simulate different temperatures and humidity conditions for the test article requirements for that particular test.
And you're testing something right now that we can look at, right?
Yes, we are. Come on out, I'll show you. Okay. Well, Lori, what we have here is a mock-up of the redesigned ice frost ramp for the external tank of the Space Shuttle program. This particular test, we're testing the different size collars here, the gap sizes, and see what kind of formation of ice we're having with the different gap sizes.
How do you test that in here?
What we do is we use liquid helium to simulate the hydrogen temperatures of the external tank. So we take liquid helium and condition this chamber until we get down to minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. And after that, we come in and say every 2 hours we inspect around the collars to see what kind of ice formation we're having. And
then you report out your results?
Yes.
All right. What else can you do in this facility? I mean, you do hot and cold in here, right?
That's correct. We can take this temperature down to say minus 33 degrees Fahrenheit up to say 98 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, and different humidity conditions. We can simulate them in here to whatever test requirements may need.
All right. Very interesting. Thanks for showing us around today.
Thank you.